Welcome to Cued Speech, Word of the Day, brought to you by SignCueQuest, the app that includes the Cued Speech Adventure game. Our word today is animal. Animal's made with a 5 to the throat, ah, 4 side down, na, 5 side down, ma, and 6 to the side, full. Put them together for animal. What kind of animal do you have for a pet? Feeding time for the zoo animals is 5 o'clock p.m. I saw shining animal eyes last night in my yard. I slowly backed away from the huge animal. Stop acting like a wild animal. I carried the injured animal to the vet. Did you know? For families new to cueing. Last time I talked about the National Cued Speech Association, NCSA, and one cool service they offer for families new to cueing, which is a free Deaf Children's Literacy Project parent kit. This kit includes an NCSA membership, free access to an online Cued American English course, a personalized letter, Cued American English articles, the NCSA newsletter, cue charts, and research, language building ideas, and an invitation for optional one-on-one family support. And to top all that, also a fun toy or activity for your child. You can request a free parent kit using the link below. Thank you to my sources listed here on my Hall of Fame. The links for these sources are given below this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time for another Word of the Day. Have fun with your cued speech adventures.